Hi there, today we're going to change a tire on a 2019 Honda Pilot. We're going to find some of the information here in the Honda Pilot owner's manual. This one will be page 129. It kind of tells you a little bit about how to change the tire if you don't have any cell service or anything like that. It's very pretty explanatory. Just make sure that you tighten the lug nuts correctly. I couldn't find anywhere to how to set the lug nuts, how tight. So I googled it up a little bit and it's 94 pounds, so almost 100 pounds. It's about right. So anyway, the first thing that we're gonna do is set the parking brake. So we're gonna do that real quick. We're gonna do it right here. Just gonna set the parking brake, and then when you're done with your tire, you can just push it again, and the parking brake, it sets off. So right now we're gonna put it on so we can start changing this tire. All right, first thing we need to do is go in the back of the car and look for the spare tire mechanisms to lower it. By doing that, we're gonna check it out right here. There's a little cover. I'm gonna take it off. And then there's another little rubber cover. You're gonna take it off. Now we're gonna reach over the where the jack and all the little tools are. Take it off. The jack is right in there, and there's this Velcro. Gonna take it off and then push it forward a little bit, and the jack will come off. There we go. And then you're gonna have the jack, the tool for the jack right here, and the little L tool right here. You're gonna put it onto the screw to lower the tire like this, and then you're gonna turn it to the left this way. Remember, left is loose, right is tight. So we're gonna keep doing it until you see the tire coming down. Let's just show you here real quick. You want to turn this lever until the tire is all the way down. All right, there's this piece of wire coming down from the tire, where the tire is stored. This is what I meant by leaving a lot of slack on it. You're gonna pick it up a little bit, and then you see this little plastic hold down. You're just gonna push it through the tire, and then it's off. Bring it up, and that's it. That's all it takes. And then when you're gonna put it back, it's the same way. You're gonna put it like this through the hole, and that's it. And then at this point, you're just gonna raise it up, and it should be good. But right now, I'm gonna take it off. Now remember that the vehicle right now is in the parking mode. It's the tires in the back, it should not move. So we're gonna set the jack right here, the jack, and then the jack tells you exactly where to put it, either on the front or on the back. And to find the little red spots, as they say, whoops, let's find out. You'll see him right there, right there. The car has 4 lift points, the little tabs to pick up the car. I'm gonna show them to you real quick. There's one right here in the front. There's one exactly on the opposite side. This will be the rear, right here, and they're about, you know, right about there, just a little bit forward from the from either tire, either from the front tire or the rear tire. So this part of the jack should go right there. The little tool that looks like a hook, right like this, they want you to actually put the tire underneath it, just in case. But just for the video, I'm not gonna do it. But they want you to do it like this. So if the car falls or whatever, at least the car lands on something that you can probably reset your jack. All right, guys, we're gonna take the lug nuts out of the hub. They are tight. You can do it. This is a whole lot easier. So now that the lug nuts are a little bit loose, you can continue to raise the tire until there's nothing underneath it. That way, the weight of the car onto the tire and then onto the concrete, it kind of holds the tire so it doesn't spin around. All right, we already removed all of the lug nuts, and it's time to take the tire off. You feel safe to do it. You can actually put this tire underneath the car if you want to, which is exactly what I'm going to do. That way, once again, if for some reason the car decides to move and falls off the jack, it falls into the tire, and then you have enough space to reset your jack. So usually this tire is a little bit smaller in diameter, so it's easier for you to just put it in there. Now you see all of the space I have at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. All the space. It's just easier, and then just set your lug nuts back. Now don't step on it and try to jump on top of this tool when you're tightening the lug nuts, because you will break studs. You don't want to be breaking the studs. All you gotta do is get them in there. You can do it in a star shaped pattern, kind of like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever. In the owner's manual, it tells you exactly how to do it. I'll go with it. So like this. If you want to just give it a quick kick, you can do that. Now pull your tire out. Just give it a quick kick and make it start lowering the vehicle a little bit. Whoops. So you want to have it set up like this. There you go. Now there's a little hole over here. Over here. All right, we're gonna put the tire back. Just remember to do it like this. Gonna bring the tire in. Gonna bring it in. Gonna put it. The wire's gonna go in there, and then this is like the keeper. Gonna try to shove it through it. I don't know if I can do it one hand. Let's see. And then you see how it's gonna come out through this side. You see, do it the same way, but now we're gonna go to the right, just like that. There you go. You see how it's set up over here? It's all set, and then it's gonna go push it all the way up. All right, guys. Well, thanks for staying here with me on changing the tire on the 2019 Honda Pilot. It goes from 2016 to present.
Then we're gonna
this
put
is 2022.
jack back to
it's
where
in the
it
same
belongs.
spot. our little
It is
tools.
very easy to do it. I mean, it's very simple. Just make sure that you have your tires correct. Make sure that your parking brake is set correct, and just follow all the instructions on the owner's manual. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you the next time.